So today, guys, we have the plumbing guys in here. This is 9962 Athenia. We got the plumbing guys in here to put in the plumbing stacks. The stacks that we just mentioned in the previous house before, now they're putting them in this one.
So, nèg yo a fait plumbing. Romeo the Professor 407 What you was saying about the blocks, Mike?
We're going to take those blocks and put them on another project and try to utilize everything we can just to make sure. You see that long pipe? That's the pipe that he's going to probably run through the roof and just do the roof penetration.
How you doing today, my friend?
Yeah, that's go.
Awesome. We just done a little video and good job.
No, y'all fine.
So did they finally cut this window and insert it?
They haven't did the fire, what you call it again?
Yeah, they did the fire blocking.
Fire blocking.
They came in and set this window. They had to cut this right here. Came to cut this right here to place this window in the hole. So we had to come in and actually replace this. So,
So not fair second level plumbing. Sisa ya fair kunya second level plumbing. Okay. Ya fair second level plumbing. Ça c'est l'autre caille. Romeo the Professor 407 Ok, ça c'est training day. Ça c'est un training day. M'a fait training. Mike a pris une photo. Ok. So ça c'est training. So Mike, in about December 15th, we will be doing. Me and you, we're gonna be doing this right here, right?
yes, if we have to.
Yeah.
If we need erosion control, which is erosion for the house.
Ça c'est pour un cas investor. So Mike a pris une photo pour le voir by investor. Investor te ban nous $120,000 pour ça. Pour bâtir c'est 220, n'a mettre l'argent nous, il ban nous 120,000. Il y a besoin d'un pourcentage sur ça, là, il fin bâtir dans 10 mois. So, vous mettez New York, Boston, Massachusetts, Georgia, Florida. Really, si vous voulez, want un business bâtir kai. Ou seul besoin l'argent, j'ai expérience là. Nous j'ai expérience là, n'a bâtir kai. OK, so j'ai $40,000 really, $60,000 really, $120,000 really, $220,000 really, cash, really pour bâtir ensemble. Now, si just voulez un terre dans Citrus Spring, tech ou ça, yo vend 14,000 dans auction, 12,000 dans auction, qui really Citrus Spring tax deduction. So, MLS, yo vend $20,000, mais faut get cash pour yo. OK, Romeo the Professor, OK? 407 900 really.